Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Canva newsletter. So first of all, you're going to log into your Canva account and on search for your content on Canva here, you're going to search for newsletter. And now you will see that you have spring, classroom, March, May newsletters. You can start from scratch. You have an email newsletter. So basically any type of newsletter you want, but let's just click enter and see what type of newsletters we can get. And basically, depending on the category, you're going to choose your newsletter. Here you can see our categories like business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. So for example, maybe you want it for your business. And basically, you can choose business type. So let's choose websites, for example, and here are some newsletters for the business. Now let's choose all categories again, and here on filter you can also see all of these like styles. So for example, maybe you want something minimalist, so you choose that. Then you can choose a theme, marketing, corporate, and so on and so forth. And some topics, and of course color. So I'm just gonna apply it. And let's choose some newsletter to edit. Maybe let's choose this one and let's customize it. Now, as you can see, you can edit every single thing here, like a photo and so on and so forth. Here you can actually add your own website, and then you can click these three dots for more and just link your website like so. I'm just gonna write down something like so, and you can leave it here for a person to click. Now here, let's edit it. For example, edit the date. I'm just gonna leave it like so. And for the photos, of course, you can upload your own photos, but let's add some of the photos from like a business sphere. We can actually put it in the background too, but maybe it's not a good idea. So let's put it somewhere here. And maybe you can add your own photo here. So for example, something like so, you can of course add your own text because you have to add it and edit the colors. So let's do something like so. And let's add a text. Let's make the text in white. And maybe let's leave it like so for now. I'm just gonna make sure that there are no like white lines and so on and so forth left. But basically, that's how you edit it. You can also go here on designs and search for newsletter templates and basically add them here on a new page. For example, let's add it here, and you will have another newsletter and you can edit it instantly here. So after you will edit everything, what you want to do is click on share, click download, suggested as PDF standard because this is best for documents and emailing. So a person could click a link which you have added, for example, and then you choose a page which you want to download and click download, or you can also just share it like a public view link, for example, or many other things. But for example, if you choose this one, you just create a public view link and then you copy it and share it with others.